How to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. Customer reviews are essential for building trust, and this method will help you boost your product pages with authentic feedbacks. Let's jump in. First, you'll need to install the Review Importer app on your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for apps like Ali Reviews or Judge Me. These apps allow you to import AliExpress reviews easily. Once you've selected your preferred app, click Install and follow the on-screen instructions to integrate it into your store. After the app is installed, you need to connect it to your AliExpress account. Most apps will have a built-in option to sync your AliExpress account, so simply log in and grant the app access to your order and review data. Now, head to the app dashboard and locate the product you want to import reviews for. Use the AliExpress URL or the product ID to find the matching item. Once you've found it, choose the Import Reviews option. You can filter reviews by ratings, images, or specific keywords, ensuring you only import the best ones. Once the reviews are imported, you'll be able to customize the layout and design to fit your store's theme. You can also choose how many reviews to display and decide whether to show the customer's country or profile picture. Once you're satisfied, hit publish and the reviews will appear on your product page. And that's it, you've successfully imported reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. It's a great way to add credibility and social proof to your products. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.